first I'm getting in our colleague Mihika because she's compiled a list of, an elaborate list of what brokerages are looking at, talking about when it comes to themes, stocks, sectors, and more. Mihika, fill us in.
Yeah. We spoke to a lot of brokerages, and according to them, these sectors and the picks could, keep your 2025 portfolio to actually have a happy new year. When you talk about the sectors, analysts remain bullish on. Well, first up, we have Nuvama, which is bullish on renewables, capital goods, and the theme of water. Anand Rathi has a positive view on agrochemicals, auto, cement, consumer durables, and large banks. Motilal Oswal maintains an overweight rating on IT, healthcare, BFSI, consumer discretionary, industrial, as well as the realty space. Something that stood out was the outlook on the banking sector. Now, Jefferies has remains overweight as the highest conviction idea for the banking sector. Nuvama believes that the markets are not factoring in the banking theme. When we talk about the top banking stocks for 2025, well, Jefferies and Anand Rathi and MOSL have selected ICICI Bank and was one of their top picks. Axis Bank has been a top pick for Jefferies and JM Financial, and SBI has been mentioned by Jefferies as well. When you talk about some of the stocks that are most preferred by brokerages, and we saw more than one brokerages mentioning, we have a Godrej Properties, then we also have a Nippon Life, AMC, and the third one is Bharti Airtel. Now, when you talk about the top brokerage picks in terms of stock ideas for 2025, let's go by it sector-wise. In the real estate and hospitality space, you have something like a Suraj Estate Developers, Brigade Enterprises, Lemon Tree Hotels, as well as the Prestige Estates. In a pharma space, you have something like a Sun Pharma, Metropolis, Global Health, Ipca Laboratories, Fortis Healthcare, as well as the Cipla. In the auto and auto ancillaries, some of the picks are TVS, M&M, Maruti, and SAMIL. In the energy sector, we have CG Power, Coal India, JSW Energy mentioned by brokerages. In the infrastructure sector in the theme, we have something like a JSW Infra, via contracts, and L&T. In the IT space, names like KPIT and HCL Tech have come in. And lastly, in the FMCG, we have brokerages naming a Zomato as well as an ITC. And there are also some other important mentions. Well, Nuvama has also named Sky Gold and V2 Retail as one of their top picks for 2025. Anand Rathi has mentioned Jyoti CNC, Data Patterns, as well as an Amber Enterprises. GEM Financials, few of their topics also include Z Entertainment, Havells, Sign DLM, as well as a BHEL. We have Motilal Oswal that has talked about Polycab and PN Gargil. And lastly, Axis Securities also mentions counters like Shriram Finance, City Union Bank, Ambuja Cements, Dormis Industries, and Ethos.